Notebook LM has updated some of its features, and this is available even to the free users. We have done a couple of videos regarding this previously, but the new things that are here, we will just take an example to show you how to play around with it. So here there is a paper from OpenAI called Why LLM Hallucinates. This is a new paper that has been released recently. A very interesting paper. If you guys have time, it's a 36 pages paper that has been released, which has lot of confusing maths. But if you really want to understand, and this is a way of learning as well, put it on Notebook LM, upload it. If you go to sources, add it to sources, you can upload any type of files, add a Google link, you can put Google Drive links, you can put YouTube links, or you can even put pasted text. Once you do that, the way I do it is I just do the mind map. So if you see, I have created this mind map, it generated. So this is the mind map. They talk about these sections. So these are the different sections that they talk about. So you can make it big and you can work around, and you can see abstraction, error cost, why hallucination survives. Then this will go into a little bit deeper details as well about this whole paper. So this is one way of looking at it. The second way of looking at it is, if you go here, there is something called as your audio overview. Once you click the audio overview, there is a default. Before there was a default option, but here let me just pause this for now. Can you, if you click here, the button, the pen button, they have a lot of options that are there. By default, it was always on deep dive. These are some basic structure that was given, but now you can have brief, you can have critique, and as well you can have debate. You can change the audio format to play around with it as well. So it will take couple of minutes to generate this as well. I will just delete the older ones, I don't need to. So once this is audio is generated, it is going to give you the deep dive, which we have seen before. If you want some study guide as well for this, a briefing doc, you can also create the briefing doc. So the purpose of Notebook LM, this is one of the very amazing tools that I recommend people to start using for doing research, to play around with it. This is one of the things that Google has really made available, and in the free tier also they have added a lot of features for you to play around with it. And it's a very good way of taking technical papers, especially for the people who are part of this community, who are trying to learn a lot of new concepts. This thing is very helpful. So you can download everything. Like, see, I have downloaded a brief deck. It tells me all the basic details about this paper as well. Still, something is not, you can always go and ask as well. So this is your good study notes. Audio takes time. Let it load till we can try to play around with some FAQs, mind maps, word explainer video also. You can do that as well. So there are a lot of options that they have given you in the studio. It took couple of minutes to run, and you have a specific audio as well as the video here. So let us look at the video here first. Let us open the video.
Welcome to the deep dive.
And you want to make it bigger. There are two hosts who talk about it.
Welcome to the deep dive. Ever had that experience? You ask an AI, maybe one of the really powerful ones, a simple question, and you get
So this
back
is the whole thing that has happened. You can also download this audio file. There is a new option here available. Let us play it around since it is loading.
So that sounds super confident, totally
where you can join in.
But it's just wrong.
Completely made up sometimes.
Right, like you ask for a date and it just invents 3 different ones, even if you specifically said only answer no.
Yes, the infamous AI hallucination.
Oh, hey there, what's up?
I also feel the same thing, that it hallucinates, but can you explain me why?
Yes, you're at, oh, go for it.
Yeah, sorry, I think I got cut. So explain it in details. What is this term? How this term has come into the vocabulary?
Not a problem. problem at all.
We're happy to clarify
You're asking about the term hallucination in AI, right?
how it entered the vocabulary.
Fantastic question.
And it really gets to the heart of what we're talking about today.
So when we say an AI hallucinates, it means it produces overconfident, plausible falsehoods.
They seem fairly convincing,
But they're fundamentally incorrect, made up,
like the example I just gave with the birthday.
or even more complex made up scenarios.
It's similar to human hallucination and the outcome,
That false perception.
but the mechanism behind it is fundamentally different,
It's a special kind of error,
where the language model just generates something that isn't true.
even when it says it.
So you saw that how I joined the conversation and started asking it specific questions. So it's a very good way of interactive learning, and it's fun to play around with it. We have one video. Let us see. This is a video that has been generated. Why AI lies, and
if you've ever played around with it.
So let us make it big. It took some time to generate this, so let us make it big. 7 minutes video.
If
That's
you've ever
nice.
played around with an AI chatbot, you have definitely seen this happen. You ask it a totally simple question, and for fun,
So the way they have made the video is
and you
amazing.
guessed it,
So they have not only made the audio, but they have created a video illustration, and which you can download as well. So this is another level of how you are going to do content creation that is there. Here, I think in this video option, if you go to the studio, you go to the video option that has there. Right now, I don't think there are ways to edit. But this is the language. There is no voice over enablement right now, but in the future it is going to be there. So not only they have created the audio, but they have created you a video
if you've ever played looking
with
at
the whole
somebody
paper.
sing. Listen,
So it's a
there's
slide
something
when
right that's
the
about
way it
going
has
your
created the slide step by step through the video, through the topic, which is mind blowing. So all these technologies, especially Notebook LM, is really going to change the way we learn, we interact with system. Making such professional slides in a quick manner is amazing, right? And so just try it out, explore, and share your thoughts in the comment below. If you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so. This helps us, motivates us to keep posting. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.